You're watching the Lychee Boy at work, and today I wanna make a sign. Cucumber. But not just any sign, a sign that lights up in red and would go right over there on that lonely screw. No screw deserves to be lonely, and that's why this one deserves a sign. What will the sign say, you ask? Well, let me show you. So the pieces have been cut out. Off camera, I added some more thickness to the original cardboard, another 2 layers, these 2 right here, to add more rigidity. And now I am going to be pasting some of this red crepe paper in between here so it doesn't look ugly. I'm going to use a combination of Elmer's glue or wood glue with water and apply it on these crepe pieces to have optimal sticking to the cardboard. Now comes the fun part, pasting this exciting green paper on top of here. Let's get to it. Alright, so the piece has been drying under pressure for a healthy amount of time. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff on top of it. Let's get rid of it now. This chair off. There you go. Keyboard. Books. More books. And this. Time to cut the letters out. So we've cut out the green, now it's time to add in the crepe on the back. Now it's time to build a unit for the lights. That will be right behind here. So we're going to build a border around here using these pieces. As you will notice that one side has aluminum and one side doesn't. We will get to why that is, but first let's paste it on. Okay, so that is done. It has been pasted. The reason this is aluminum on the inside is it's so it can reflect the light better and evenly disperse it onto the sign. Now I'm gonna be cleaning up these edges and adding some green over here. So let's get to fixing this. So I finished applying this material onto all of the sides of the sign, just like that. The camera wasn't working before, so I could not show you the process, but basically what I did was apply it just like this. I have a piece here to demonstrate. I applied it just like this, had a little overhang, and then I went ahead and I cut it. After cutting it, there's a bit of a rough edge, so I took some sandpaper and sanded it out. I can repeat this on the other side as well. In the application of the material, I used, like previously, the water and glue. And if you've noticed, this particular side over here has a flap open, unglued. On the other side it is normal, only one side has a flap. I will explain that in a moment. While this dries, let's do some touch-ups with paint. So I finished the touch-ups with the paint. I also finished the flap. I added this over here so I can open it and close it. And I also added a magnet, so that's why it opens and closes like this, so it stays in place. And a little handle, that's done. It is all nice and green all around except for in the inside. Now I'm gonna take some ice cream sticks and I'm gonna put them over here. Okay, so the electrical system is complete. The lights have been installed right here. Everything is done. The circuit is nice and pretty. Right over there. Lights installed. Over here is where the power splits to the circuit over here. I can power the lights with a 9-volt battery or the outlet. And that goes here. It travels through this wire over here to the circuit, to the switch, and to the lights. So that's how that works. And it actually does work. I will connect in the 5-volt supply into the outlet. I can't wait to show you how this looks. But first, we need to cover all of this up with a cover. So one side of the cover is going to be covered in crepe. The other side is going to have aluminum foil. Alrighty then, I finished the cover. One side is red crepe and the other side is aluminum foil. The aluminum foil goes facing inwards into the electrical unit of the sign, and to put it in place we are going to be screwing it into the board. How I'm going to do that, I'm about to show you. Okay, so I have these two glue sticks. I have markings spaced 2 centimeters apart. I'm going to cut the glue stick at each of these markings. Now I'm going to take a nail and make holes in them. I'm going to now take this screw and create screw cavities in all of these pieces simply by going in the existing hole made by the nail and screwing it in. Okay, so the screw cavities inside the glue are done. Just look at that. As you can see, the screw left a nice cavity inside the stick. I did that to all of the pieces. Now we're going to take these pieces and we're going to stick them inside the board of the sign. Okay, so now I'm going to add these pieces with their cavities in all of the important corners of the board. As you can see, I'm using the heat from the tip of the glue gun instead of using the actual glue because this is glue itself. Alright, so I placed the glue pieces over here in certain important areas of the board, like here and here and here, 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 here. Now I'm gonna add a dot paint on all of them so that I can create markings on this board when I place it, so that I can cut holes in the board. Okay, so let me place the cover on top. Okay, so over here where there's black dots, I will be making holes for the screws. Now it's time to fit the screws in. Now I have to align the screws with their respective places.
TLB.
Boom. Looking green with a dash of pink. Aye, you should see me in the sunshine eating kimchi. Cause I be lychee. No, I ain't peachy, I said I be lychee. You better grab that phone and reach me, cause I be lychee. Too much color in my brain, like a speeding train. This just me though, when I be lychee. You think I'm creepy? Wait till I tell Aladdin I got 17 wishes from the genie. Yeah, now that be lychee, my man. Boom. You just gotta be lychee, yeah.
But in all seriousness, thank you so much for watching and sticking till the end of the video. If you enjoyed yourself while watching this, be sure to leave a like below and subscribe, all that good YouTuber stuff. And comment below what you think to be lychee means, because I'm still trying to figure it out myself. Also, I'd like to thank my sister for helping me film certain parts of the video. She actually has a website, she's into photography, and you should definitely check it out, the link is below. And thank you once again, and I will see you very soon.